So our scalp is the fastest aging skin on our body as compared to any other area, and the scalp ages 12 times faster than the body skin and 6 times faster than the facial skin. So we need to really take care of our scalp with regular oiling, using safe products, more than what we do to our face. And on an average, the speed of hair growth on normal scalp is roughly 1.25 centimeters per month. And it is definitely possible to get this kind of hair growth at any age, and with the right products and the right supplements we'll be able to do that. So what happens as the hair ages? The hair color changes. This is the clearest sign of aging. Hair color happens to a pigment called melanin, and hair follicles, they grow with age, and the melanin grows in it. But as you grow older, the follicles make less melanin and they cause grey hair. Graying often begins in the 30s, though it could vary for people. For some it also begins in the 20s, for some it also starts in the 40s. So it all depends. It depends on your family condition, your genetics, your stress levels, your lifestyle you follow, the diet you intake. It could be all of that. And the scalp hair often grays at the temples and extends to the top of the hair. That is the pattern that is generally followed. With aging, the hair thickness also changes. Hair is made of many protein strands like keratin, and a single hair has a normal life between 2 and 7 years. And when that hair falls, it is replaced by a new hair. How much hair you have on your body and your head is determines largely by your genes and also your stress levels and your lifestyle. Nearly everyone has some hair loss with aging. The rate of hair growth also slows down. Hair strands become smaller, have less pigments, so the thick, coarse hair of a young adult eventually becomes thin, fine, light-colored hair. Many hair follicles stop producing new hair. Men and women can both experience baldness as they age, and as you age, your body and face also lose hair. Women's remaining facial hair may get coarser, often on the chin and around the lips. Men may grow longer and coarser eyebrows, ears and nose hair. The three reasons why your hair doesn't grow as much as it should could be due to toxicity, if you're using incorrect products on your skin or your body or your hair. It could be due to stress levels. If you're very stressed, if you're not sleeping enough, 8 to 9 hours per day is the ideal amount of sleep, which we all should have. Then also your hair would not be growing as much. And lastly, it's because of insufficient nutrition. What can we do for strong and lustrous hair? Hair oiling once a week, shampoo not more than twice a week, and sulfate-free cleanser only. Post-wash rinse can be with apple cider vinegar or fermented rice water. As we discussed earlier, hair pH is around 5, which is on the acidic side. So we need to use these acidic liquids to maintain the pH of the hair. If the hair roots become too alkaline, they fall off. So apple cider vinegar, a capful in a mug of water, use that as a final rinse, or fermented rice water on the scalp, use it as a final rinse, then wash off with clean water. This is what you need to do post shampooing to maintain the acid mantle of the hair. Combing the hair ideally with a neem comb daily, 100 strokes at bedtime is very, very ideal. Massaging the scalp with fingertips daily at bedtime really helps. Navel oiling at night with coconut and castor oil. You can apply a hair pack with all the beneficial herbs for hair which we discussed. Get the powders of all of those herbs, mix them, keep them in a jar, and every month mix that powder blend along with a liquid of your choice. It could be aloe vera, it could be rose water, it could be oil, it could be curd. Just mix it all, apply it on the hair, leave it on for an hour, wash off with a sulfate-free cleanser. It definitely takes some time, but this will give deep nourishment to your hair and roots and definitely stimulate hormone growth. You have to ensure to sleep 8 to 9 hours every day. You have to say no to hair dryers, hair irons, chemical treatments and commercial hair dyes. You have to start your water with lemon water daily to detox your body and scalp. Hydration is extremely important for a good hair growth, and you have to exercise daily to boost blood circulation to the scalp. It could be with brisk walking, it could be with yoga, it could be with any exercise of your choice.